So now let's talk about the discovery of neutron. Now initially we know the nucleus is a composition of only positive charge. Now what actually happened was, if you look at the hydrogen and its isotope, that is hydrogen and its isotope, one of the isotopes is deuterium, deuterium, deuterium. One is hydrogen. Now it has the same atomic number. This all has the same atomic number, but if we look at the mass is a bit different. One of the isotopes is deuterium, the other one is your tritium. Tritium. Now we know the amount of positive charge should be equal to the amount of negative charge. So that is the amount of electrons. So electrons in all the cases are the same. But if you look at the mass, if I try to find out the mass is somewhat distributed in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. So the mass is a bit more. So now the question comes, why? If we ask ourselves why does the mass change, then we can say that a certain amount of quantity should have been added, a certain amount of neutral quantity. Neutral quantity, because it does not change the mass. The amount of electrons and the amount of positive charge is exactly the same. That is, in terms of charge, they balance each other. But if you look in terms of mass, it is not balanced, and therefore the discovery of neutron came to place. Why? Because a certain amount of neutral charge must be present in your nucleus so as to amount for all these different masses for different isotopes. So, and hence this discovery, that is the discovery of neutron, was made. Neutron was made. So this was the basic logic behind the discovery of neutrons.